Tightly Packed TV, the news magazine from Interpack and Packaging Journal. A warm welcome. Our topics today. 2022 was a year of ups and downs for the packaging industry. The new generation of plastic pallets is recycled. How to transport dangerous goods safely. And a new vacuum cup enables tool-free maintenance. The new year is here, the year of the Interpack. We can look back one last time to 2022, a difficult year in humanitarian, political, and economic terms, and yet there is reason to be confident. Thus, supply problems and shortages of raw materials are slowly receding. For example, Flexible Packaging Europe reported slightly lower prices for HDPE, LDPE, and PET film in October compared to the second quarter. It also expects raw material supply shortages to ease as oil demand and barrel prices fall. In the area of legislation, the packaging industry has also seen some changes in 2022. In France, for example, a law came into force at the beginning of the year that largely prohibits the use of plastic in the packaging of fruit and vegetables. In Germany, since last summer, companies that put packaging into circulation for to-go operations or online retailing have had to register in a special register set up for this purpose and pay a corresponding fee. So, Europe is taking action against single-use packaging and virgin plastics. On 30 November, the EU Commission published a proposal to reduce packaging waste in Europe and promote efficient recycling. All in all, the industry has had an eventful year. It was able to hold its own against many adversities and overcome the first shocks after the beginning of the year. Challenges such as high energy prices still exist and will certainly cause problems in the coming winter, but the corona pandemic also appeared to be an almost impregnable challenge at the beginning, but the industry made it through. And one thing is certain: packaging always happens. Wooden pallets are often used to transport goods, but there are alternatives that can have decisive advantages. For example, pallets made of recycled plastic. Employees benefit from the light weight of the pallets and are relieved of manual handling. The low weight also contributes to the sustainability of the plastic pallets. Costs and CO2 emissions are saved during transport. Manufacturer Kabka, for example, focuses on sustainability and the circular economy with its pallets. On the one hand, the pallets are already made of recycled plastic. On the other hand, when they're no longer needed, they are recycled again and thus remain in the cycle. The company has received a silver rating from EcoVadis for its efforts. When goods are transported from A to B, not everything always runs smoothly, and accidents can occur, or the transport packaging can be exposed to difficult conditions. Especially with highly flammable substances, this can become a problem. A new combination, IBC, from Schutz now offers double protection for filling goods. The company also relies on recycled material for its 3-layer IBC containers. With a double-walled design, Schutz's EcoBulk SXD offers additional safety and protection against leakage during transport. The closed and fire-resistant outer steel shell contributes to this. Should the HDPE inner container melt or be damaged by heat, for example, the outer steel shell prevents products from escaping. Vacuum cups are used in the intralogistics of many companies. Especially when transporting workpieces, the devices are indispensable. However, the suction cups are subject to wear, and the resulting maintenance can lead to production downtimes and additional costs. The company SMC Germany now wants to tackle several of these problems at once with a new generation of vacuum cups. The user-friendliness of the new series is achieved by dividing the suction cup into two parts. The ZP3C consists of an adapter and a suction cup. Both parts can be replaced and disposed of separately. Metal and rubber parts can thus be neatly separated and fed into the respective recycling stream. Before the Interpack in Dusseldorf in May, it is worth taking another look at the partner trade fairs of the Interpack Alliance. In December, Cairo was the scene of a trade fair duo. Today, we can say it was the most successful Food Africa in its history and a pack process MEA on course for growth. After an economically challenging year, positive impulses and business deals emanated from Cairo. More than 25,000 visitors from over 60 countries came to the trade fairs to find out about innovations and trends, and above all, to expand their contacts in Africa and the Arab world. Contacts in the whole world will then be the order of the day in Dusseldorf in May, and to make sure you're well prepared for the trade fair highlight in 2023, it is worth taking a look at our homepage, interpack.com. See you next time, and all the best for you.